Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX is a high-performance pickup truck built for power, technology, and tough terrains. It's perfect for those who want a truck that excels both off-road and on the highway. Exterior, bold and tough. Grille and lights. Large blacked-out grille with TRX badge and bright LED headlights. Hood and body. Functional hood scoop, heat extractors, and wide fender flares for rugged looks. Wheels and tires. 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires on 18-inch wheels with beadlock capable options. Lighting. LED taillights and optional off-road light bars for better visibility. Performance. Incredible power. Engine. 6.2L supercharged V8 with 725 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. Speed. Reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Suspension. Advanced Bilstein Blackhawk E2 shocks for smooth off-road handling. Drive modes. 7 modes like Baja and Rock for various terrains. Interior. Comfortable and modern. Seating. Premium leather and suede seats with optional red stitching and TRX branding. Technology. 12.3-inch driver display and 14-inch Uconnect touchscreen. Features. Heated/ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and panoramic sunroof option. Audio. 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system for top-quality audio. Storage. Includes underseat compartments and a lockable center console. Technology and safety. Infotainment. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, and wireless charging. Safety features. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Off-road tech. Hill descent control, terrain cameras, and off-road performance displays. Off-road capabilities. Built for adventure. Ground clearance. 11.8 inches for navigating obstacles. Water fording. Can drive through water up to 32 inches deep. 4x4 system. Full-time 4WD with an electronic locking rear differential. Why choose the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX? Powerful engine. The strongest half-ton pickup available. Off-road ready. Handles the toughest terrains with ease. Luxury touches. Combines rugged capability with premium comfort. Aggressive design. Stands out with its bold and imposing look. Pricing and availability. Price. Starts at $82,500 with upgrades available over $100,000. Release date. Early 2026 with limited availability at launch. Conclusion. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX is more than a truck. It's a powerhouse built for adventure. Whether tackling extreme trails or making a bold statement in the city, it delivers unmatched power, cutting-edge tech, and top-notch comfort. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.